Hello there. I'm going to attempt to explain why the answer to the Monty Hall problem works. So I think that there are a lot of explanations going around, and this is the one that has always made the most sense to me. A lot of people will say, well, just imagine there's 100 doors, or something like that, but I'd prefer to just show you. So here we go. We have 3 doors. Behind 2 of them are goats. Behind 1 of them is a new car. Let's see what happens if we pick a door and stay with it, okay? So, if I pick, and just to be clear, it does not matter that doors 1 and 2 have goats and door 3 specifically has a car. These could be in any order, and it would still come out this way, okay? So, if I pick, and I will stay, and we have a result. This is how it's going to do. If I pick door 1, and I stay, right, then I'm going to end up with the goat. If I pick door 2, and I stay, I'm going to end up with a goat. If I pick door 3, and I stay, well, congratulations, I've won a car. Therefore, if we stay, that's the key, then 1 out of 3 times we will get a car. Okay? So, let me bring this on down here. Okay, there we go. 1 out of 3 times we get the car. Now, I'm going to pick, switch, and get a result. If I pick door 1, well, Monty Hall will always eliminate a door that has a goat in it. So, he will eliminate door number 2. Therefore, if I switch, I have to pick door number 3. The result is, I got a car. Woo! If I pick door number 2, Monty Hall has to eliminate a door that has a goat behind it and is not one that I picked. So he has to eliminate door 1. Switching sends me to door number 3. So I got a car. Woo! If I pick door number 3, well, Monty Hall will either eliminate doors number 1 or 2. Doesn't matter. But either one that I switch to has a goat. So I end up with 1 or 2, and I get a goat. So if I switch every time, I have a 2 out of 3 chance at getting a car. What would you rather have? A 1 out of 3 chance of getting the car because you stayed, or a 2 out of 3 chance of getting the car because you switched? If you switch every time, you get a 2 out of 3 chance of getting the car. If you stay every time, you get a 1 out of 3 chance at getting the car. Therefore, switching is mathematically to your advantage. To me, this is the simplest and fastest way of explaining this. Literally just write out what the possible solutions are. And you'll see that, like I just did here, if you stay, you only get a car in 1 of the 3 chances. But if you switch every time, you get a car in 2 of them. And 2 is more than 1.